Welcome back. I'm Nicole and the host of our YouTube channel. When it comes to home insurance, there are a lot of confusing terms and jargon that gets thrown around. Two of the most common terms you'll hear are market value and replacement cost. So what's the difference between the two? And which one should you insure your home for? Let's take a closer look. The main difference between market value and replacement cost is that market value is what your home is currently worth on the open market, while replacement cost is what it would cost to completely rebuild your home from scratch. So for example, if you paid $200,000 for your home 10 years ago and it's now worth $300,000 on the open market, then your home's market value has increased by $100,000. However, even if the structure of your home has remained exactly the same, the cost to completely rebuild it has likely increased as well. This is because of things like inflation and the rising cost of construction materials. As a result, this could make your replacement cost higher or lower than your market value, depending on the market conditions. So, which one should you insure your home for? Ideally, you want to insure your home for its full replacement cost, so that you would be fully covered in the event of a total loss. This provides the best coverage for your home and belongings within the home. However, this isn't always possible or practical. In some cases, insurers will only provide actual cash value for the home and its contents, depending on a few different factors such as the age of the home and location to brush fire. In summary, market value, as its name suggests, is what your home is currently worth on the open market, while replacement cost is what it would cost to completely rebuild your home from scratch. It's important to talk to your insurance agent about how much coverage your home needs. Most agents use a replacement cost estimator tool or calculator to help determine your home's replacement cost value. We also recommend having your dwelling replacement cost reviewed or recalculated every year or so because of the factors discussed above. The last thing you want to happen is a large claim and not have enough coverage to repair or replace the damages. Leave any comments or questions in the box below, and please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.